Hello children, once again I am back for you with a new video about the different types of joints in our body. So in previous class already we studied that joints are the places where two bones join together. There are four types of joints found in our body. Number 1, the hinge joint. You can see in picture, it works like the hinge of a door. If you want to know which kind of movement we can do in such type of joint, then you can move your elbow and knee. This type of joint is found in the elbow, knee, toe and finger. Next type of joints you can see is the ball and socket joint. In such type of joint you can see that one bone is having ball like end while other bone is having socket like end, and both get fitted into each other very well, and such type of joint is found in hip and shoulder. Next joint is pivot joint. This type of joint is found between the skull and the first two vertebrae of the spine. If you want to know which kind of movement we can do in such type of joint, then move your face side by side, up and down. Means we can give signal yes and no by help of this joint. Next joint is the gliding joint. This kind of joint is present in wrist, ankle and in between any two vertebrae of the spine. So this joint provides flexibility of the backbone, and due to which we are able to bend forward or backward or sideways, owing to the presence of the gliding joint in the vertebrae. Now these are all about the four types of joints. Once again I am repeating, in our body total 230 movable and semi-movable joints are found, and these joints are categorized into four types. Number 1, the hinge joint. It is found in elbow, knee, toe and finger. Number 2, the ball and socket joint. Such type of joint is found in our shoulder and hip. Next one is pivot joint. This joint is found in skull and the first two vertebrae. Fourth one is gliding joint. This joint is present in between two vertebrae of the spine and wrist and ankle. Now we will see the human eyes structure. You know that we are having 5 sense organ, and one of such 5 sense organ is the eyes, which is very important sense organ due to which we can enjoy this world. So let's start the structure of the eye. You can see there are 3 layers of eye. The outermost part of the eye is known as sclera. Sclera is the protective layer of the eye. Next you can see second layer. Second layer is very vascular, means having richly supplied with blood vessels. Next layer is retina, and the part of the eye which is visible to us are cornea, pupil, lens, iris. So what are the functions of these all? One by one we will understand. First you should understand that each eyeball is placed in a bony socket in the skull. They are protected by eyelids and eyelashes. Eyelashes are the hairs present in the eye, and these also protect our eyes from dust and dirt. The dark structure in the front of the eyeball is called the iris. The small round black spot in its center is called the pupil. The pupil allows light to enter the eye, and how much light will enter in our eyes will controlled by the ciliary body and iris. The pupil allows light to enter the eye. The retina at the back of the eyeball is the screen on which all images get formed. The eye is connected to the brain by a nerve called the optic nerve, and optic nerve give information about the image to our brain. So these are all about the human eyes. So children, I think these informations are good for you, and have a nice day. Thank you.